Alright, we got this question right here. What's the difference between transgender, transsexual? I don't actually know. I probably should go search it up online. I'm guessing it tells you. I don't know for sure. But I'm going to tell you why, what I think about them and which one I like the most to use. So, transgender first. Transgender is, first of all, there is sexual orientation and gender identity. Transgender, what it actually means is transgender is transitioning gender, your gender identity. I am transitioning, so you would call me a trans male. I am transitioning to become male. That's what I am. And then we got transsexual. Why I don't like that word, it kind of reminds me of, like, when I hear someone say transsexual, I think of bisexual, pansexual, all those kind of sexuals. And sexual reminds me of sexual orientation, which is not gender related, it's who you're attracted to. So that's why I don't like that, because why would you put sexual at the end? Transsexual, that kind of sounds like, oh, what's your sexual orientation? My sexual orientation is transsexual. I am attracted to transgender people. That's what it sounds like. I know it's not. I'm gonna search it up. It's probably not. But come on, like, doesn't that kind of sound like it? That's why I like the word transgender, because I'm transitioning gender. That's what transgender means. To transition from one gender to another gender. That's why we use the word transgender. But yeah. That's just my thing. I don't actually know. I think transsexual is like an older term. I used to hear it back in the day. I actually have not heard transsexual in a long time. But I don't like it because it reminds me of like sexual orientation, not your gender identity. That's why I like the word gender over sexual. But yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Yeah.